This is a multifunctional small ribbon heat transfer machine. It is suitable for small processing plants or board making. It takes up little space, heats up quickly, does not require high-pressure gas, and can be operated normally with only household power. It has many configurations under its small body, such as control panel, manual pressurization, manual blanket separation, modular power supply design, precision grinding motor, sublimation paper and protective paper, retracting and releasing shaft, etc. In addition, its full load power consumption is only 4,800 watt and it occupies less than 0.5 square meters. Since it does not require high-pressure gas and only needs power supply, you can put it in every corner of the factory. In addition, its printing bandwidth reaches 300 millimeters, and it can heat transfer 10 ribbons at the same time. The working temperature is 0 to 400 degrees Celsius, which can meet the needs of different materials of ribbons for heat transfer. It is the best choice for small factories and factory proofing. The heat transfer printing technology of ribbon roller printing machines offers multiple advantages over traditional processes and direct-to-fabric printing. It has higher production efficiency, enabling large-scale continuous printing with reduced downtime, is easy to operate, and is environmentally friendly with no wastewater discharge. Compared to traditional processes, heat transfer achieves high color fidelity and detail, making it ideal for intricate patterns. In contrast to direct-to-fabric printing, heat transfer is compatible with a broader range of materials, especially synthetic ribbons, where it provides better durability and color saturation. Additionally, heat transfer is cost-effective, particularly for medium to large-scale production, making it suitable for high-efficiency, durable printing needs.